The old-fashioned recipe to selling your house fast. Ever tasted an old-fashioned so perfectly balanced, it made you wonder why anyone drinks anything else? That's the goal for your home sale too. Today, we'll mix a literal old-fashioned while I hand you the exact recipe for selling quickly and profitably. Because let's be honest, a sloppy sale tastes about as flat as week-old club soda. Let's jump in. Step 1. Mise en place. Set the stage. Before the first pour, every bartender lines up the tools, bottles, and garnish. Sellers need the same discipline. Line up reality-checked pricing. Pull 3 months of sold comps, not wish-it-were-true listings. Ignore the unicorn that closed 2 streets over after a bidding war at midnight. Price off facts, not fairy tales. So your first sip with buyers is sweet, not bitter later on. Speed bump fix list. Hit the tiny repairs buyers spot in time it takes a sugar cube to dissolve. Silence squeaky hinges, recaulk that cracked bathroom seam, magic erase the baseboard scuffs. Little flaws read like floating pulp in a cocktail. Once people see them, that's all they'll taste. Your paperwork ice block. Get your docs crystal clear before showings begin. Title search, HOA bylaws, closed roofing permit, anything that could derail escrow at the 11th hour. Solid paperwork is the oversized ice cube that keeps the whole drink, your deal, cool and undiluted. Start organized and stay confident, and your sale will mix as smoothly as the old-fashioned we're about to pour. Step 2. The sugar cube. Price to the buyer's sweet spot. Drop the sugar cube and watch it sit there. Too stubborn and nothing dissolves. Same with overpricing. Nail the sweet spot by combining sold data with live buyer feedback. Ask yourself, would I pay for this if I were moving in tomorrow? Remember, buyers shop by comparison. They don't owe you for memories. Price right and interest dissolves smoothly into offers instead of hard clumping into lowball resentment. Step 3. 3 dashes of bitters. Face reality. Bitters keep a cocktail from becoming syrup. Honesty keeps a listing from becoming hype. Disclose quirks, aging roof, July HOA hike, the 6 a.m. commuter train before they pop up unannounced. Buyers taste BS faster than Angostura evaporates. Own the flaws, price accordingly, and you'll earn trust. The true premium ingredient no algorithm can manufacture. Step 4. Splash of water. Cool imperfections. A bartender's half ounce of water melts sugar and smooths the drink. Your pre-showing splash does the same for first impressions. Quietly, before buyers arrive. Fix tiny flaws, silence hinges, refresh grout, patch scuffs. Set the mood, natural scent, balanced lighting, comfortable temperature. Lay out facts, disclosures, permits, utility averages, already on the counter. Skip this cooling step and small issues stick out like undissolved sugar. Handle it now and buyers taste nothing but smooth potential. Step 5. A gentle muddle. Showcase value without bruising it. Press gently until sugar and bitters merge. In real estate terms, highlight value with a storyteller's touch, not a sledgehammer. Point out the new HVAC, the walk-to coffee location, the energy bill that dropped 30% after window upgrades. Let buyers discover delights as they tour the home using call-out cards in various places calling out updated features. Too much pressure cracks the glass and the deal. Step 6. The crystal clear ice cube. Keep emotions cool. Insert 1 large clear cube. Never cloudy, never crushed. That's your mindset when inspection hiccups or financing wobbles. Stay composed, offer solutions, and communicate early. Clear ice melts slowly. Steady nerves preserve flavor. The star pour, step 7. Marketing with body and finish. 2 ounces of quality bourbon bring depth. Professional marketing brings offers. Invest in pro photography. Might be a little more than 2 ounces. Wide-angle lenses reveal space. Poor lighting hides it. Cinematic video. Motion sells lifestyle. SEO-rich listing copy. Search engines are today's curb appeal. Targeted ads that reach the right demographic at the right moment. Cheap bourbon ruins a cocktail. Bargain bin marketing turns your listing into shelf dust. If your agent isn't doing all of these things, it's like using Southern Comfort instead of a quality bourbon like Angel's Envy. Step 8. Stir, don't shake. Respond to feedback professionally. Stirring integrates without clouding. Shaking negotiations clouds judgment. When showing comments says, kitchen feels dated, consider a cabinet paint credit. When they say backyard's too small, spotlight the community park 2 blocks away. Small, deliberate adjustments clarify the mixture till it's crystal clear. Step 9, orange twist. Close with a flair, not flash. Express the oils, rim the glass, and drop the peel. Quick, confident, classy. Your closing conversation should feel just like that twist. Summarize concerns you've already solved. Restate benefits buyers can't unsee, and outline the next steps. No fire-breathing sales dragon routine. A simple flourish seals the deal and leaves the room smelling like citrus optimism. Step 10, the cherry on top. Celebrate the win-win. The cherry on top for closing confirms every ingredient was measured on purpose. It's the contract signed above asking. Contingencies handled without drama. A move-out timeline that fits your lifestyle. When every motion is intentional, even complex deals feel smoother than top-shelf bourbon. What happens when you improvise? No prep? Bargain bourbon? Watery ice? Lime juice where it never belonged? That's throwing an open house together overnight. Snapping listing photos on a busted cell phone, or slashing prices after months of crickets. Every wasted week, carrying costs, fees, stress, and negotiating power. Mix it right the first time. Before you set your glass down, here's the last, and maybe most important ingredient. Want the whole recipe in one place? Think of our Sunshine State Handbook as the oversized laminated recipe card every Florida seller keeps on their fridge. It folds in every step we covered today. Pricing sweet spots, honest disclosures, marketing with body, plus dozens of extra tips we didn't have time to pour into this video. Scan the QR code or grab it from the link in the comments. Reach out anytime. We'll sit down, virtually or in person, run your numbers, tailor a strategy, and maybe celebrate the plan with a real old-fashioned on me. And if you love step-by-step guidance, cue up our other quick pours while the ice is still clinking. Magic paint colors buyers can't resist. Discover the magic hues that make rooms feel bigger, brighter, and worth more. How to avoid a bad inspection report. Learn the low-cost fixes that prevent deal-breaking red flags. 8 things not to do before selling your home. From surprise remodels to last-minute credit checks. Dodge those profit-killing mistakes. Hit subscribe so you never miss a new Recipe for Success video. Like what you see today? Drop a comment with a cocktail you'd like to see us make on camera next. Here's to strong spirits, smarter sales, and a future so bright you gotta wear shades. Remember, you stir the market. You don't let the market shake you. Thanks for watching your Real Estate Insider. I'm still Tom McNamara. See you in the next one.